Hey, thank you so much. This is Jomar, and beside me is Alexa. She's playing with her dolls. Side, give me a wave hello. One hand wave hello. There it is. Yes. They can't see your face.
My face.
Yes, they can't see it.
I
There it is.
revealed my face.
Ayan. Face reveal. Thank you so much for being here and welcome. And today's topic is about how to make people come to you. What does that mean? I could have told you that the topic was, how to generate traffic to your website, to your offer, whatever. Pwede naman gawing ganon. Pero sa totoo lang, it's the simple thing is the skill of making people come to you is very important because diyan yung tinatawag nilang traffic generation, no? How do you create a YouTube channel that people go to? How do you create a blog that people read, and how do you make a post in Facebook, for example, or even on TikTok that makes people watch, follow, subscribe, and watch again tomorrow, okay, or read again tomorrow. So that's the whole premise of tonight's show. No? How do you do that? And this is mostly on mindset, on how to think and how to approach this. Kasi yung step by step talaga, kayang-kaya nyo talaga yan gawin. Yung step by step, ang kulang lang sa step by step, courage eh. Sa totoo lang, courage and momentum. But mostly, the approach is the one missing in today's world now. How do you approach making people come to you? And maybe it's all about giving up certain things. Dali lang, you have to give up certain things because there are certain ideas that we have in our mind na hindi bagay when you want people to come to you. Introduce myself a little bit, konti lang. So I'm a father of four children. Tapos I love to write. Been writing email marketing newsletters since 2008. Okay? Tapos my very first online marketing niche or markets is called Catholic Beliefs or Catholic Apologetics. This was a long time ago. And in that time, I was able to build a small, pero a few thousand din, na email marketing list. So that's not really small, it's a big one. But a few thousand people following me by me reposting, pakitype na reposting Catholic beliefs, shortcut Catholic beliefs to people all over the world. Now, fast forward today, I do a lot of secret stuff behind the scenes in the success of many, many people, thousands of people actually. Maybe, no, tens and thousands of people. I do a lot of secret trainings and secret marketing activities for people that allow them to become really successful. And for the past 10 years, I've been training virtual assistants in the Philippines to do work from home stuff for American or foreign clients. So that's me, Jomar Hilario. Wala pala akong name, no? So hindi ako naglagay ng where do I put my name? wala akong 3 ports. Lagyan ko next time, no? Lower thirds. Anyway, so that's my name in case hindi niyo ako kilala. Ayan. So, question for everyone, are you selling anything? If you're selling anything, the very first thing, let me know if you're selling anything. Tell me in the chat room now. If the very first obstacle you have when it comes to selling online is the idea of I must make a sale. Yan yung yan ang pinakamalaking problema. Now, let me just give you my in 2005, I was desperate to help Brother Bo Sanchez. And I said this to myself, no, I must make a sale because the band Jars of Clay was coming to Manila and they were like the most famous Christian rock band of them all in the world. And they were coming for the first time in Manila. So I tried to help Brother Bo make a sale para mapuno naman yung Araneta Coliseum. So in my mind, I had to say, I must make a sale, right? Now, that's a band concert. The problem with band concerts is that you have to make a sale by the date of the concert. Otherwise, you cannot sell the day after. The tickets are only good for the date. So if you are selling something that has a deadline, congratulations, then you don't have a choice. You must say, I must make a sale. However, for most of us, what we can sell today and what we can sell next week is probably the same. It's not like a ticket for a concert, no? Are you selling something that you can actually sell next month, next year? If you are, this idea of I must make a sale, especially right now, is probably the biggest obstacle you have in making people go to you. Okay? Kasi hindi nag-work ganyan ang online selling. Okay? Hindi ganyan. Okay? Now, a lot of people also, say, oh, Jomar, I can do that. No, I'll just have to buy ads. Correct. You just go ahead and buy ads. And then you can actually make a sale tonight. Yes. So, how many of you has studied how to buy ads? Pinag-aralan nyo. And you know, it is not an overnight or even an overweek activity when you buy ads. Yeah? Naalala nyo ba? Nung tayo na nag-aaral kayo, paano mabumili ng ads? Grabe, ang hirap. Dahil palang mga mistakes, maraming obstacles. And then, sinasabi nila, hindi, it's very simple. Just press boost post. Ganyan. Tapos, you'll make a sale. Hindi pala kasi when you buy ads, you have to have the buying ads mindset also. Nung una, I must make a sale mindset. Ngayon, I must buy an ad mindset. And for those of you na matagal nang bumibili ng ads, no, like me, you know that grabe yung aral. Do you agree with me? I agree. Grabe ang aral when you buy ads. So, kung grabe ang aral when you buy ads, sabi nila you'd use that to make a sale tonight, hindi pala totoo yun. Oh, hindi totoo. You do not just buy ads and make a sale tonight. Kasi kung serious ka talagang pinag-aaralan mo yung marketing, and you, for example, meron kang libro katulad nito, makapal to eh. Aralin mo. Yun? And this is not even buying ads. This is preparing the website. This book is about preparing the website. And it's not thick. It's not thin. And in here are best practices in preparing the landing page, the bridge page, and all that, the funnel pages. I'm not selling this book at all. It's not even mine. No? But the bottom line is I'm reading it. And I noticed na inaaral pala talaga yan, buying ads. Kasi hindi ka lang bibili ng ads, magpe-prepare ka pa ng page kung saan pupunta yung mga tao na bibili. So kung hindi pwedeng buy ads para maka-make a sale tonight, ano dapat kong gawin? You have to shift mindset. Okay? Ito ang kailangan mong mindset. Everybody, type in the chat room because if you believe this, you should type it. I have to make people come to me. Yes or no? Because if they come to you, naisipan mong bentahan sila ng something that will help them today, next year, di ba silang bentahan ng something that they will help them next year. Hindi mo pa alam kung ano yun. But why can you do that? Because they come to you. They don't come to you to buy products from you. They come to you kasi they like you. They like what you're saying. Alam mo yun? Alam mo yun? Sabi nga, they come to me because they like what I'm saying. That's very important, no? So isipin mo lang to. Are you saying something online? What are you saying? What are you saying online? Ngayon, your personal account, your Facebook page, what are you saying online? Are you making people feel bad? Are you making people regret things? Are you making people entertain? Napapatawa mo ba sila? Grabe talaga yung humor na yan. Believe it or not. Ako hindi ko kaya masyado ng humor sa social media. Di ba? In social media, you cannot find me making people laugh by myself. I don't think they kind of find me funny. Anyone of you find me funny sa social media? Kaya ko atang humor pag nagsa-seminar. Okay? Pero hindi ko kaya magpatawa sa mga posts unless kinokopya ko lang yung post. Nakakatawa na talaga. So in other words, kung ano man ang sinasabi mo, what are you saying that makes people attracted to you? Yan ang importante. Let's take this moment to look at your feed, your Facebook feed, no? And sabihin mo, anong laman nun? Anong laman ng Facebook feed na yan, ha? Ano yan? What are you saying? Di ba? Ano ang pinalaramdam mong emotion? Pakitype nga emotion. What is the emotion you're making people feel in your Facebook feed? And pag ginawa mo yan, yan ba ay nakakapagdala ng more people to follow you? Yan ang tanong. Yung emotion na pinapakita mo sa social media, does it make people follow? Or wala? Anong emotion yan? Or hindi, wala. They don't, it doesn't make people follow. I'll give you an example, okay? I went to a parenting Facebook group. Tapos may nagtanong. Now, kanina lang nangyari to. May nagtanong, tapos yung tanong niya, nagustuhan ko yung tanong. So pakita ko sa inyo yung kanyang question. Ay, nasaan na yun? Screenshot ko yun eh. Sadali screenshot ko yung tanong niya, nagustuhan ko eh. So nung nakita ko yung tanong niya, I answered the question. And this is the question. Please, basahin niyo muna yung question. I'll just let you read it yourself. Okay, go for it. Read the question first. And tell me your answer to the questions. Okay, this is my example. Okay, what is your answer? The question was, if you have children from 7 to 14, do you allow them to use social media independently? Why or why not? If not, what are the sources of entertainment? Thank you. That was the question. And I was so excited to answer it. I answered it in a way na para akong gumawa ng ebook. So I shared this to some people kanina umaga. Ang haba-haba ng sagot ko because I definitely have children between 7 to 14. And yeah, I don't allow them to use any kind of social media at all. Zero. Okay? Tapos, I also told them, what did I do to prevent that from happening? Like, they can accidentally install social media, use social media, get exposed to other people. I gave an entire list of things that I used to protect the family internet-wise. So, yan ay tanong na importante. I know it's important because I saw that they had, naka-open siya dito. Konti lang naman yung comments nila, 74 comments. 74 comments, and I had the longest comment. Now, kaya ako ginawa yung longest comment because I liked the topic. Here's the question. Very important that you understand kasi mindset ituturo natin sa inyo. Bakit ako nag-post dito ng sobrang haba? Okay? I'm gonna show you my post in a bit. Prepare ko lang. Then, let me know in the chat how you feel about this. By the way, pwede naman kayo mag-unmute sa mga tao sa Zoom. Go ahead, unmute lang kayo kung gusto niyo magsalita. Now, I'm telling you an example of actual what I do. Okay? So, let me show you my post. Okay, here's my post. So, yun yung tanong, and this is my post. That's it. So, this post here, kung below up ko yan, lagyan ko ng mga how-to, mga pictures. Maliit na ebook na yan. Sabi ko sa inyo. It's multiple pages worth. Question. Why did I post such a long thing in some stranger's Facebook group? And why did I take the time to write this? By the way, hindi to accidental. Nadya yan. Why? Because, simple lang po, tanggalin natin. Because this is a group of parents who are my target market. Do you have any idea who my target market is? It starts with a P, ends with an S. Parents. Okay. Because if I do this, these people will probably say, sino to? Click my profile. Yes? Now, that's one positive thing that will happen. If I did my job right and this feels like I'm helping them. Now, nakakatawa dito, I didn't know pang nanay pala tong group. So, sabi, hi mommies! For those who have children, how do you allow them to use social media? Ang sagot ko, I don't allow them to use social media. Tapos in-explain ko kung bakit. Plus, I also told them in that post na, alam nyo, ang sins of the internet, hindi lang social media. The entire internet is sinful. Now, may mga parts na hindi sinful, and this is how I filter everything. And believe it or not, I don't even use a paid app para ma-filter yung internet. No? Pero ang dami kong ginagawang layers of protection for the kids. Na sometimes, alam nila kasi, minsan yung anak nag-aalboroto. Galit yung bata, no? Anong gagawin ko? I-off ko yung internet ng device niya. Tapos sasabihin, Daddy, you hacked my device. O, di ba? Totoo yun, nandito yung baby. Alam nila na kaya kong i-hack yung kanilang device habang ginagamit nila. I don't touch it, but all of a sudden, the internet of that device stops. And then the crying stops. Kasi ngayon, bago na yung problema. Bottom line, the kids are informed of the power of the daddy in the internet. If I spend a lot more time in this group and I do my job right, I can let these people come to me. If I let these people come to me, then I can bring them to my social, like this, makita nila, ay, gumagawa pala siya ng live, ano ba yung sinasabi niya, ganun. If they like what I say, and the way I say it, and the fact that I do not have a millennial haircut, if they like that stuff, then they become a follower or a subscriber. Ayan. See? So that's the mindset. Question, is there a place where I will sell them something? Am I thinking about the selling at this point? Am I? Sagutin nyo naman kasi this is for you. How should you approach what you're doing? Remember, when I made this post, it's probably 30 minutes worth of typing. Yes, inedit ko pa yan. Yeah, 30 minutes. Matagal-tagal din gawin yan. And I'm not saying you should do this, ganyang kahaba, but I like the topic and the people like the topic. I consider the people to be my target market, so I go ahead and serve them. Should I do it again? Yes. Will I do it again tomorrow? Probably not. Maybe once a week lang. Para hindi ma-overwhelm ang mga tao. Sino ba to? Kasi hindi ako daddy, hindi ako mommy. It's a mommy's group. Pero sinabi ko na sa kanila, bigyan ko kayo ng father's perspective para naman hindi pa naibabae yung perspective nila. Okay? And most of them have only one child anyway. So, iba naman yung perspective, 4 ang anak mo. Alright? So, basahin natin si Raquel. Kailangan, basahin ko lang yung comments. Okay, thank you so much. I don't have to read it. Okay. Hey, congratulations, Councilor Juntir. Juntir is from Boracay. He just won the elections. He's one of the, tagal na silang nandito si Juntir. Hello, hi Nora, hi Rowena, hi Arkisa, Norigan. Thank you so much for being here. Raquel, Ricardo, Rowan, Loy, Ophel, Kim, long time. Jessica, Arnold, thank you so much for being here. Lurker naman kayo, hindi kayo nagkasalita. Salita naman kayo. Okay. So, yes, tama naman si Loy. This is an indirect way of inviting people to follow. However, this is the way to serve them. Okay, pakisabi nga sa chat room, sulat nyo, it's not just basta an indirect way. Because tinuro na nila to sa church, no? There has to be servant leadership if you want to sell online. You gotta serve them. When I made that post, I want to serve them. Alam niyo ba yung post na yon? Kung merong nagbabasa noon na may authority sa group, hindi ko alam kanino yung group eh. Parang feeling ko corporate may-ari eh. Now, if the person reading it says, wow, grabe naman yung detail level na to, pwede niya akong invite into a Facebook. Facebook, ganito, pwede akong ma-invite sa podcast ng isang authoritative person na hindi ko kilala na nandun, baka artista pala, kasi it's a big group, baka may artista doon. You understand? If I just use the mindset of bringing them to me, serving them in their group, as long as hindi ako masyadong bongga, kasi yung iba, sabihin ko sa inyo yung problema pag nag-post ka ng ganung kalaking post, ang may-ari